Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and today we are unboxing universal cardioid microphone by BOYA, model number BY-MM1. It is compatible with smartphone DSLR cameras, camcorders and audio recorders. It's compact and lightweight, requires no battery, and includes a professional level windproof shield for outdoor use and minimizing the wind and environmental noise. Now let's open the box and see what we have inside the box so that we can talk about it. And the packing is okay. And when you open the box, first you see some literature. This is the manufacturer warranty card which you get, and I think the other paper is the user manual, where you can find some extra information about the product, detailed information, features, specifications, all the things you need to know about the product and how to use them. So it's quite good, and we will see that later. Put it aside. Yeah, this is the mic with already put on the windproof shield, which has the tag of BOYA. It look good, but we have to pull it out to see how the mic looks like. And actually the mic itself is made of aluminum. It's a plug and play design. It weighs only 86 gram and it feels solid in hands, and it look good. It has a good feel in the hands. And I will put it back for the moment so that we can check out what else we have in the box. Here we have two TRS 3.5 mm audio output cables. This one is for the camcorders and audio recording gadgets. It has a different shape than the other cable, so this is what you use for the other. The other cable is completely already shows that it's for the mobile phone use. It is the same with 3.5 mm audio output cable, and you can see the tag which are attached, which side goes which gadget. And apart from that, you can see that this is the audio output 3.5 mm jack. Here we have the anti-shock mount. It's made of plastic, and it is for the it is for the camcorders, and you have to mount it here. The main use for this is to reducing the unwanted vibration, cable and handling noise. It's made of good plastic, and later on I will demonstrate how to use this anti-shock mount. And what else is there? Yeah, this is the artificial leather pouch, had a logo embossed, BOYA logo embossed. It feels premium, and it houses all the cables and microphone inside it if you need, so you can save it. Now I will demonstrate the anti-shock mount installation on my mirrorless camera and how it looks. Here we have it, and you have to put it in the horseshoe of the camera. Once you put it there, then you can screw it in, tighten the grip so that it does not vibrate. Even in any case, if you have the other cables which are making noise when they touch each other, so it's good. It looked good actually on the camera, and my camera setup looks like it's professional. You can see that. Yeah, it gives a professional look actually, just because of this windproof shield and give a very professional look. And I'm sure it's gonna be very helpful in the outside environment to reduce the wind and environmental noise. Let's put it back, let's unscrew it and put it back. And it's very good actually, but you need to be very careful when you are mounting and disintegrating the anti-shock mount from the mic, because it's made of plastic, and if you apply a little bit extra pressure, so you can end up breaking it. So be careful. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and don't forget to hit the like button. Have a good day.